Complete whole home water upgrade with a high-efficiency tankless water heater and full filtration and water softening system. Arizona has some of the hardest water in the country, and without protection, it destroys pipes, appliances, and tankless heaters fast. This system eliminates hard water scale, improves water pressure, protects plumbing, and gives the homeowner endless hot water on demand. It also removes chlorine and sediment for cleaner, better-tasting water, softer skin and hair, and longer appliance life. Fewer repairs, lower energy use, and total home protection from day one. If you're ready to upgrade your water the right way, Best Choice Services delivers clean, professional installs you can trust.